how you can play games in Messenger app. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Now, let us start. Now, first things first, just open up a Messenger app. And after that, just go to the chat or the person you want to play games with. Now on the bottom left, you will see the plus icon right there. Tap on it and you will see the option that says play games. Tap on play games and you will see a list of games. So just tap on any games you want to play. I'll just do the basketball one. And after you tap on a game, it will take some time loading. And yeah, just tap on play on Facebook and let it load. It will take some time if you are new to this. And after you tap on it, the game will load up. As you can see right there, it's at 84% right now. And after you load up, what happens is you will get your turn to play. Now what happens in this game is you'll have to score the highest points. Like that, I missed the first one, but here I got the second one and the third one. And what I'll need to do is get the highest score possible. And after I get the highest score possible, my friend will get challenged for it, and there will be a back and forth of the game. And yeah, that is how you play the game, guys. And yeah. So yeah, with that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.